Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing amazing and had a wonderful Christmas. It's Boxing Day? It's Boxing Day. It is Boxing Day. I was a little bit like, is it Boxing Day? No, it's definitely Boxing Day. We just got back from travelling around, seeing all of our families. And I thought I would quickly show you what I got for Christmas. It's definitely not going to be to everyone's taste, but I love watching these kind of videos. So I thought I would show you. It's not a huge expensive haul by any stretch of anyone's imagination, but I literally could not be happier with it if it was worth £1 million. I think it's amazing. I feel really, really lucky. So I'm going to show you what I've got. If you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. I do a vlog every single day. I started my 39th birthday. I'm going to do it all the way until I'm 40 and then maybe beyond, we'll see. I think it's day 47 today. So yeah, let me show you what I got. So first up, this was for me and the kids from my mum, a churro maker. She said this was just a bit of fun for us, but it makes churros, it's just a machine. And then she got us 2 packets of churro mix as well. She got me my standard every single year. I get a dark chocolate orange because it's my favourite thing ever. She got me some like velvety ribbed leggings. They're only like from Pep & Co, so they're not expensive ones, but they look really comfy. Size 14 to fit my arse in. She got my presents from the kids as well, so I'd asked for a teapot, so she got me this little teapot, which is just beautiful. Let me get it out and show you because it is so pretty. And I said I wanted a teapot. She sort of started researching and she sent me a few, and I was like, oh my god, I want that one, it's just gorgeous. And it's only me having a tea, so it didn't need to be a big one. But I just thought this was the most beautiful teapot ever. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? I just absolutely love it. And it's got like a little, so you can put proper tea leaves in if you want to, or you can just chuck tea bags in it. So yeah, that was my little teapot. She bought me this. She got this off the market where she lives, hand-painted witch's mug. Isn't that amazing? It's just the most beautiful mug. Like, I don't know who made it either. So I've said to her next time she goes, because they're there quite a lot. I said try and find the name so I can find them on Instagram, because I just think that is so pretty. I just absolutely love it. So I'm gonna have my tea in there. My friend Amanda got me some chocolates and this candle, which honestly is one of the nicest smelling candles I've ever smelled in my whole life. I don't know what tonka is, but it's beautiful. It's got some antlers on the front. Mum got me a pair of thermal tights, which is always handy. I got some Christmas socks, again, which is lovely. Ben's parents got me a Next voucher, and then these fingerless gloves, which are like just perfect for me. Purple stripy, love them. His sister got me this, which is definitely not going to be to everybody's taste. I feel like it is the creepiest thing in my house now. Like, the eyes are just completely hollow. She said she saw it in a charity shop and was like, I know someone that needs that. And she was right, because I absolutely love it. But it needs a name, so give me a comment down below of what you think we should call it, because it needs a name so it can steal your souls. Yeah. Then Mum got me this random USB disco light which dances along to music apparently, which looks really fun, which I'll show the kids. She got me a picture frame, which is beautiful. I'm going to put a nice picture of me and the kids. I took a nice one yesterday on Christmas Day of just me and the kids, so I'm going to put that in there and hang that up. I got this book which looks incredible, Reflexology for Beginners, and it's got the most beautiful illustrations in there. You can see how beautiful they are there, but the whole book is just full of amazing illustrations, and I just love it. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous, and I'm very, very excited to read it. Mum got me a book about Scorpio because I'm a Scorpio. My brother and Amy got me a Tony's Chocolonely little selection bar, some socks that say I like spooky shit, and then this tin, like enamel sign, which is in a world full of princesses, be a witch, which I absolutely fucking love. It's just, it's perfect for me. I love it. Mum got me this nightie, or like it's like a massive oversized shirt, but I'm gonna wear it as a nightie, and it's got like the zodiacs and stuff on. Believe in the Sky is Mystery, and it's super, super soft. And then she got me these, which I can't get on my feet, so I'm going to try and stretch them. They're just, again, they're just from Pep & Co, so they're like only cheapy ones. But they, little Chelsea boots. And then the girls got me, via my mum, new slippers. And they're fancy ones. Totes ones. I love totes, because I've got these crap ones at the minute that I've got you can't go outside in them. But these, I tried them on earlier on and they are so comfortable. So yeah, that was my present. I know it's random and I know certain items will give people nightmares, but I'm over the moon. I'm going to make myself a cup of decaf tea now in my teapot and have it in my mug and have a bit of chocolate orange, and it's just going to be the best day, and I'm going to read my book. So yeah, thanks for watching. I love you, bye.